So now, as you can see here, this wireless controller has finally boot, and I just introduce the username right here, and my password, the username that was created once has been um, requested to create one over the console. Le VLAN controller a booté et là, j'ai introduit mes données et je suis connecté. So what we're going to do next is look at the switch right here. Show Ether channel summary. We see the port, one port in the port channel, which is up. You can see here the capital letter P here, bundle. Let's connect a second port and see. I'm expecting to have the second port here also connected with capital letter D. Terminal monitor. I didn't see that. Show Ether channel summary. Show Ether channel summary. So you see here, both ports are connected. So, and we can ping the wireless controller. You remember the IP address of wireless controller was 10.10.10.10, 10.10.100.100. Excuse me. So why is good to have, for me, to have the port channel company? If just look at this. If we shut down one interface of physical interface of the port channel, look at the pin here. Just shut down. Look at the pin. The pin is still working uninterrupted. So the user doesn't even feel like there was an issue in the network. Vous voyez, en utilisant le port channel, même si je désactive un des ports physiques qui est attribué au port channel, comme je l'ai fait ici, le ping continue à marcher. Ça veut dire que l'utilisateur ne sait même pas qu'on a eu un problème réseautique. OK. To show internet summary. Both ports are back again. Now, let's go to the GUI. Actually, I'm expecting to have the GUI working. From the GUI, we can configure the remaining stuff. So, wireless controller, we say login, we see admin, and look at this. Is that not good? I don't want to know. It's asking me to save my configuration. I say no, thank you. Look at this. It's just not good. We are on the wireless controller of a GUI. So what we're going to do next is to come here. I don't want to start clicking things now, but I think that it is self-explanatory. If you have a little bit knowledge of how wireless controller works, and we will most probably go here to advanced. Let's click on that. Maybe you just make some show command here. What is this looking like? Access point. We have no access point, as you can see here, no access point. 2.5, 5 gigahertz, no client will be there, of course. So let's go for advanced. Yes, you see port 1 and port 4 are actually connected to the switch, right? Port 1, port 4. This is the IP address we connected previously. I will check if I have a newer version of for the software or not. I will check which version is actually available, if I can get it from somewhere. So 5 access points are supported, as you can see here. So in the next video, what we will do is to actually configure the wireless controller. Let's go to the interfaces. The management port is here. we can configure also DHCP here. We configure the DHCP is the switch, is our switch. We will check if we can configure this to provide DHCP. If not, no, because the access point should get the IP address of a DHCP, and I have to check internal DHCP server. Here's something. We can configure our DHCP server here. The scope name, you can see access point. So I'm really excited. Maybe I'm going too far actually, and we can configure things here. Port start 10.10.100. Let's say from 1 to 1 to, we have 3 access points. Let's say 1 to 4. For now we have 2 access points. 0, the network, the mask 255.255.255.0 on the folder router. Okay, I will explain this in the next video, because if I start configuring this, I have also to go to the interface VLAN 100 on the switch to make the to point the wireless controller as the DHCP server. So to point it here out, so to configure the relay. So we can do all that in the next video. So the main objective that we had has been met. So the wireless controller is connected over port channel. We have access to the wireless controller, and we have access to the switches over SSH, even over Telnet, although we don't have Telnet. In the next coming video, we can disable Telnet and so on. So what's the task that we had here has been completed. Les points énumérés ici, nous les avons configurés. Et configurer le wireless controller comme il était en DHCP server, on peut le faire pour le wireless access point. Mais de ce faire, il faudrait aussi ne pas oublier aller sur le switch, sur l'interface VLAN 100, 100, et configurer le DHCP relay pour pointer cela au wireless controller. Tout cela, nous allons le faire dans la prochaine vidéo. Restez connectés, partagez, likez, abonnez-vous, share, like, and write your comment, and we go through your question. If you have questions, I will like to address all those questions in the next video. Thank you for viewing, and talk to you. See you later in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.